Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm excellent, thank you. Okay, we are going to start the interview. What's your name?
My name is Jonathan Solorzano.
Jonathan. How old are you, Jonathan?
I am 27 years old.
And what do you study?
I am studying is electronic engineering.
Nice. And in which semester are you?
I am in 4th.
Fourth. Okay. Do you have a girlfriend?
Yes.
What's her name?
Her name is Maria Geraldine.
Okay. And what do you do in your free time?
I like riding bicycle also and like to play soccer.
Play soccer. Okay. And do you work?
Yes.
Where do you work? Sorry. Where do you work?
Yes.
Where? But where do you work?
And work in Barisulsat.
Okay. And what do you like to eat?
And like fish.
And do you live with your parents?
Yes, I do.
Do you have any daughters or sons?
I had 2 girls.
2 girls. Nice. How old are them?
They are 10 and 1 year old.
Okay, Jonathan, thank you very much for your time. Bye.
Bye.